Manipur delegation that centre will intervene to end prison impasse in Manipur. Chief Minister Ukromi Bobi Singh accuses the centre of not acting on time to resolve the present impasse in the state. CSOs form joint forum for peace to urge state government and centre to solve the UNC imbroglio. And people belonging to different communities take out peace march demanding an end to economic blockade and counter blockade. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithima Monica with the latest news updates. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh has assured the BJP Manipur delegation that the centre will intervene to end the present impasse in Manipur. A 12-member delegation of BJP Manipur Pradesh, including President KSH Vavananda and national BJP leaders who are in charge of Manipur, met with Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh in New Delhi today to apprise him of the present impasse in the state. Addressing media at the party's office at Nijai Pajutek, spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Dr. R.K. Ranjan, says the Union Home Minister has assured the delegation from Manipur that the centre will intervene to resolve the present impasse. R.K. Ranjan also stated that the meeting that started around 9:30 this morning at the minister's official bungalow lasted more than 45 minutes. He said Rajnath Singh has assured that he does not take the violence that erupted as a result of the economic blockade and counter blockade lightly, and that he will take necessary steps to contain the situation as soon as possible. On top of the existing 60 paramilitary companies in the state, the centre has sent 40 additional companies to maintain law and order in the state. R.K. Ranjan said the delegate also told the Union Home Minister that the Chief Minister has not deployed the central forces in the appropriate areas and hence the law and order has gone out of control.
Union Home Minister na uzik akoida assure tawbiribase point ahum mari assure tawbire. The central government strongly condemned the economic blockade. Counter blockade su condemned tore aduga prevailing law and order failure ovese masigi damukta yam seriously lowre aduga Honorable Home Minister na amu haidise masiga sagona violent attack mayamama akhoi pot pusalakpani khangde counter blockade ki din khangde thoi violence singa se masi akhoi gi praja singna masi praja singda inconvenience thole aduna Center Center is ready to intervene and deploy necessary paramilitary to clear the economic blockade and counter blockade in the best interest of the people of Manipur. Immediately, Taurani Hairadu.
Chief Minister Ukromi Bobi Singh today blamed Narendra Modi-led BJP government at the centre for not acting on time to resolve the prevailing situation in the state. In an exclusive interview with India Today in Imphal, the three-time Chief Minister says had the central government acted promptly, things would have not been escalated so far. Blaming the NSA and IM for the unrest, Bobi acknowledged for the very first time on record that the United Naga Council, which had imposed the economic blockade on Imphal since November 1, was acting as the mouthpiece of the rebel group with whom the centre was engaged in a peace dialogue. Blaming the centre for failing to rein in the Nagas insurgent group with which it signed a peace accord last year, Singh said immediately after UNC announced the indefinite blockade, he rushed to Delhi and met Home Minister Rajnath Singh. He said the peace talk is between the centre and NSC and IM and the state government is not involved in it. The ground rule is that the NSC and IM should confine their activities in Nagaland alone and that too in the designated camps. He said he pressurized the Home Minister, but he was surprised with his response. It will be denied reports that the centre had sent 4,000 additional forces to the state. He stated that the state has received less than 10 companies of additional forces. Rajya Sabha MP MC Maricom has written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi to intervene to end the economic blockades and counter blockades to avoid untoward happenings in Manipur. In her letter to the Prime Minister, Maricom says Manipur is going through the toughest of time. She requested the Prime Minister to intervene at the earliest for peaceful solution. Manipur National Democratic Front today held protests against the government's inaction when the people are facing serious grievances due to the economic blockade and counter-blockade. The protest was held at Kaisampat Laimajam Lekai Community Hall. Senior Vice President of MNDF, Vijay Goisam, condemned the Assam Rifles for not helping the police personnel during the twin ambushes by suspected NSCN on Imphal Mori Road, killing 3 police personnel. The protesters also shouted slogans.
Paramilitary force amasung Central Army na yamna thuna akoi Manipur dagi lathokhiba tabani maramdi Assam Rifle haibasi makoina thariba lol aduna tai madudi Assam Rifle si hill khaktagi oni toy makoina thabado Friends of the Hill People haiba aduna makoina singda leibam tamda akoi understanding leibadongna any time da singi lalabu singna attack toba ngamba masi yamna singningai oi ngaranga handa Mori da 11 Assam Rifle amasung Manipur police ki lona bada bomb pokhaiba langjelak bhaiba se masi Assam Rifle kin mana tonda thowa thabak se Assam Rifle khangde ba se masi aranbo igani.
Lok Janashakti Party LJP Manipur has appealed to the Congress and BJP to resolve the current unrest in the state created by the economic blockade rather than playing petty politics. Addressing media at the party's office in Babupara, LJP spokesperson Ningombam Ibohal accused the central government of remaining a mute spectator to the propaganda and activities of the NSA-NIM in Manipur. He demanded the central government to call off the peace talk if the rules and regulations are not followed. He stated that the economic blockade on the national highways and counter-blockade in the valley may cause a rift among different communities who have lived together in peace and harmony since time immemorial. Ibohal also demanded both the state and central governments to bring about a solution at the earliest to strengthen the relationship between the hill and the valley. He also assured that the LJP Manipur unit will support any steps taken by the government and any civil society organization to restore peace and harmony in the state. In view of the prevailing situation, LJP Manipur has stopped all kinds of election-related works for the time being. President of the Dalit Sena Manipur unit, R.K. Kaiku, and General Secretary of LJP Manipur unit, Athopam Keshore, also appeals for suspension of the economic blockade.
Makhoida peace process ki mamingda khulai pairaga mibu nomaina kaptuna hatpa prajagi lanthum munba prajagi punsida ki bo phawonba activities mayam se sum chathaduna lahellagadi maram cha daba artha thoktaba adugum laba makhan gi peace process amani hana logani aduna maram ore harga Bharat Sarkar nasu hairiba hiram sida khangna usanadana tasanana leibagi hebisi akoi tokpiu ana appeal tawjage.
Secular Democratic Alliance of Manipur has stated that it is prepared for an all-political party meeting and to go along with the people to end the UNC's indefinite economic blockade. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, General Secretary of the Alliance, Komdram Gyaneshwar, said the people of the state have suffered due to the UNC's economic blockade. He said it is unfortunate that the UNC has not decided to end the blockade. He also accused the state government and the centre of remaining silent on the issue. He asked them to take action against the UNC.
Economic blockade is either state government or central government can bathabam da koi lokate na ui. Maram tu na hujikti yamna genit point ama tarmol oibagi yamna khudong thiningai ning law pol ama communal tension gumba manba ama laibak thiba thokdok thokpa yaba lai. Party taret punjana na semjeliba Secular Democratic Alliance of Manipur sina koi the filter state sarkar pairiba go Congress amasung center da sarkar pairiba BJP animak na Manipur gi praja lak pungani pangi awaba se kelesoi ba step am ta lodna lak ba je masi koi yam kan condemn tawi.
At least 2,000 people today took part in a peace rally demanding an immediate end to the indefinite economic blockade on the national highways and counter-blockade imposed in the valley. The rally was organized by Thangmaiban Romai Village Authority Council in association with Thangmaiban United Clubs and Naharol Laisemba Club. Representatives of different communities living in Thangmaiban and Langol participated in the march, which began from Tarung Community Hall and passed main areas in Thangmaiban and walked up to Khuyathong Traffic Island before returning to Tarung Community Hall. The marchers belonging to Tarung, Nekalong, Tharon, Guilalong, Grace Colony, Komrem, Langol Laimanai, Langol Lathungching and Lamphel Koireng displayed placards that read, "We stand for communal harmony, big no to violence, stop rumor and abide peace and harmony." Convener of Thangmaiban Romai Village Authority Council Aduna Malangmai urged the state government and centre to intervene to end the UNC's economic blockade. He also appealed to the people of the state to live together peacefully and amicably, like the Maitai, Rongmai, Liangmai, Kom, Tangkul, Zaumi, Kuki, Koireng, Siru, Anal and Maring who are living together in Thangmaiban.
Chingmi tammi aikoi wanare aduga sana bathang balairaktaba angang singe lairik school kabada angang sing school chatpada thaunung lairaktaba madugi maram oiraga ngasidi aikoi tammi chingmi wanaraba matamsida UN sinasu khudakta handokpiro amadi Manipur government amadi India government na masi yengle hairaga aikoi parja singse wana leiribase khudakta solution ama purakpiu Thangmaiban da leiriba isin enau singse nungsinana leiri Masin Manauni, Singmi Tammi, Kaina by Yaroi Haibagi, Pandamda, Masige Relisi, Ngasi Silibani.
National Highway 37 Truck Owners Association has demanded the government to issue licensed gun to truck drivers plying on the national highways. Speaking to media at its office in Palace Compound, President of the association, K.H. Innauba, appealed to the UNC to end the economic blockade at the earliest, since it might threaten the integrity of the state. He said the economic blockade, which has crossed 52 days, have caused hardship to both the hill and the valley. Truck drivers are being shot at by the blockade supporters while transporting essential commodities. If the economic blockade does not end by the 25th of this month, he demanded the government to issue license gun by the 27th. He also warned of ceasefire if the government fails to grant their request. The association also greeted the Christians on the occasion of Christmas.
Manipur government athuba matamda koi license gan issue tobio Christmas ki tang kumanga ba manungda UNC na karigumba economic blockade se handokta patargadi mathangi numita Manipur da leiriba koi driver singna isa isa ye photo ani ma Aadhaar card ma ye ID proof pubiraktuna National Highway 53 truck organization da pubirao Manipur government da koi license gan moida issue tongna ba haijagani issue tobidragadi mathangi numita gi akoi starting pai da khongjang changjalagani Naga student singna National purpose the Manipur UNC na Tauri Basiki, one time about the Makoiba Naga, Wapire Haidun Happy, Tobiganu, Maduna Maramoerga, Manipur noticed the Maripi de Moja Huduna, Manipur Anuba Puari, same of Simbigan.
Joint Forum for Peace was constituted today in an effort to implement the resolutions taken by various civil society organizations to end the present crisis facing the people of the state due to the economic blockade and counter-blockade. The forum was formed after a meeting of CSOs of both the hills and the valley at the UCM's office in Lamphel. Speaking to media persons, President of UCM, Ilangbam Johnson, said they have resolved to appeal for suspension of economic blockade and counter-blockade and asked the government to make an all-out effort to end the present imbroglio in the state.
Hauzik Manipur gi oiriba phibam asi loisinaba honabada ching amasung tamda leiriba civil societies organization khudingmakna honaminaba haibasi masu yanare Joint Forum for Peace ki ahanba khongthang oina December gi hayeng ayuk ki pung 10 makhai taba matamda Kaisampat leimajam laikai da leiba khoi community hall la miyam gi achamba mifam ma famlaba matungda Manipur gi sarkar amasung government of India da khoi Joint Forum gi oiba memorandum amamam piba hayeng gi mifam masi akoi miyam hubna saruk yabiu ngasigi khoi gi mifam mase saruk yahodaba tongan waching amusung tamgi lanai khoi organization sing punamak hayeng su yakan biu mifam mase akoi miyam hubna saruk yabiu ngasigi khoi gi mifam mase saruk yahodaba tongan waching amusung tamgi lanai khoi organization sing punamak hayeng su yakan biu.
United NGOs Mission Manipur has appealed to UNC to end the indefinite economic blockade. Speaking at a press meet at Hotel Impal, Secretary of the Mission, O. Nobakishore, held the state government and centre responsible for the prevailing situation in the state. He appealed to the state government to hold talks with the parties concerned to resolve the issue. Nobakishore also appealed for suspension of the counter-blockade.
Christmas and the New Year Sulabnina in the larger interests of the humanitarian concern, December ki tarik kunmaridagi blockade si handokpiba akhoi lining laishon gi thorum mayam aduga masigida magi chanabi mayam singsi taunanaba adu hairiba che changche khoi maroina Indian gi authorities mayam Prime Minister, Home Minister aduga atai ministries mayam dus thajani aduga tangai phadragadi United Nations aduga World Council of Churches aduga World Baptist Alliances na chingba mayam dasu akhoi singsi tharaga masi kamaina intervention pigadage habigi matang da akhoi hona jagani.
Manipur State Sumang Lila Council today held a sit-in against the economic blockade and counter-blockade at Iboyaima Sumang Lila Sanglen. Lifetime Secretary of the Council, S. Hemanta, appealed to the people to behave like responsible citizens. He appealed for suspension of the economic blockade and counter-blockade before the Christmas festival. He said people in the hills and valleys should be allowed to celebrate the festival with religious enthusiasm.
Dharma tongan bhavda masagi ningon sakauba haiba yausang haiba se Manipur gi kumai oirabni adumai tawdana Christmas haiba su singi tamgi kumai oirabni aduna asigumba kumai ama mangi bai se akoina tarai na lobham thokte dharma gi oiba adegi di ritual gi oiba thaba kaya pang thoktana iswar da thongni bagi matam adu oi aduna nungsi sanana hingminana gi damakta karom dagi maikai dagi no minungsi sawa hena achumba hena afaba Maikai do ita di karom darom tang minungsi saw wat tanabagi matamadu ziglae.
District Magistrate Imphal West has imposed curfew in Imphal West from 9 p.m. tonight till 4 a.m. of December 23. In his order, the District Magistrate says the order shall not apply to government agencies involved in enforcement of law and order, other essential services and accredited media persons. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
World-class interventional cardiology at Sky Hospital. Performing non-operative closure of hole in heart and RF ablation. Don't delay. Hurry for consultation with Chief Cardiologist Dr. L. Shamkishore for hole closure, RF ablation, coronary angioplasty requirement and other procedures like pacemaker, ICD, CRT, combo angiogram are also available. Hurry for advance booking to avoid disappointment. Free charge for BPL families.
Northeast India Development Party Manipur Punna Kundamina Yelhomi Singh Hamja Naraba Tawai Miral Singh Aramba Korang Pumuko Hanabagi Choba Todang Lozanabagi Iran the Manipur Yelhomi Singh Tawai Miral Singh Tana Semjaba Party ni Maramasina Isagi Mamayam Vodo do NEIDP Mihut Singh the Pina Iram the Masiki Tungi Fere Isana Lepchanabig them touch up Java Tanjadu Lobu NEIDP Namayam Lavamiang Matabomiku Karadangai for the Lojaba Dungi Matambu Ikai Kumna Buchari Masina Kogi Puari Nakupuna Kutsana Donaning Singh but Hokra Matam the Laklaba Ekogi Puari William Tatapuari Masemlasi Kangan Zariba President Northeast India Development Party Sagol Bantera Laukrakom Lekai Imphal West.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam today released the 2017 calendar of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department at his office chamber. Speaking at the function, he says the calendar will inform the people about the programs taken up by the department. Replying to queries by media persons, he said the Congress does not believe in party switching. He said those MLAs who recently joined the Congress have lost their trust in the parties and believes the Congress party. Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department Commissioner T. Panmay and Director K. Kipgen also attended the event.
Horticulture activities se promote yanaba aduga promote what the Horticulture Department is doing for the welfare of the people of the state and for the state and all. So the Horticulture Department se machi da am irin jana phajana tawbase akogi mayam na display to phum ngakta tawbana tabena ana gomba khana he yai horticulture activity kari no kholo ta seng with the departments, they are doing wonderful jobs. Akoi ayaram gayaram da host in thazade makhoi ji hawi misa si sunu harisa si haiblanida makhoi da aleriba BJP ki policy program amadi and recently ma so high ko demonetization tawdana khota tawba khotpa adigi framework agreement gi issue mayam ama leiribase masina maram odana pende adana khoi madi state ki damakta di masi yamna detrimental lam oi yamna harmful ba pot ama leibase nong kang dana masi handok pa leitana satsingsil lag adudi ai masi party yaw bi kari athalege as a Congress party se ai koi pami magi policy program se koi thajase haidana lapatare koi welcome to hum tokpana tra.
General Secretary of Nationalist Congress Party Manipur Unit Y Iboyaima in a press release stated that the party does not have any issue with MLA Laisom Ibomcha joining the Congress Party, but there is no question of NCP merging with the Congress Party. He said NCP is a national party and its office bearers are still in the party. People of Nungai today took out a rally protesting the violent incident between the two neighboring villages. Members of clubs in Lilong Chingjao Zabariching, Nungai Ching Waithau Lipokpi and women organizations took the march after holding a sit-in at Lilong Nungai Ching to protest the violent incident. Both the Meiteis and Muslims living in the area took part in the protests.
UNC na koi ban blockade tawringai tanjasda thodok wathok singje loisanaba honna bidaba sarkar dai khoina ninda tawjai aduga hojik mantri na sirjina tumduna leithokpi diba asigumba kasulai taba thodok je mana minil amada loisanga daba thabak je chawthonduna sum mathang mathang khana halakpa je asimaga yang kana ya janingdin
maigai ani makta makhoigi unkhatnariba mawong asida ikhoi phamjariba dharna asina taliba dimandi makhoi ani mak samdainaraga kanana kana pen dabalai bedagi kari dagi langla langjil oi khribno haibdu samdainaraga loisin minna ba pak sandoraktana bagi damak aikoi nanga si phamjariba dharnani.
Election Commission of India today conducted training demonstration session on the usage and features of electronic voting machines (EVM) for the media persons at State Academy of Training, Takilpat. A video documentary featuring brief introduction and security features of EVM was shown to the media persons. Vipin Katara, consultant, Election Commission of India, briefs the media persons with a PowerPoint presentation on the important functions of EVM. He said 20,000 VVPAT voter verifiable paper audit trial will be utilized for the first time in the ensuing 11th State Assembly election. A large number of Congress workers from Thangmaiban constituency today took out a march demanding the party to give ticket to Jotin Waikom in the upcoming assembly polls. The rally, which began from Thangmaiban, was stopped by a team of police near MG Avenue. Later, 10 members were allowed to meet the president of MPCC. It may be mentioned that Thangmaiban MLA Joy Kishan quit the BJP and joined the Congress yesterday.
Macha machu akhoi chuna leijare atopa macha machu losan bagi darkar leite haidana party president akhoi da thajaba pibi rai Jotin Waikhong gi lising makhada party gi principal ama ngakna president na haibak pado akhoi thajaba gi matung ina ngarang se akhoi khangjabani makhoina MLA bu reception tawdana tawgi basida karmi ama oina akhoi gi thamoida nungai taba ama phaujadana akhoi kasukai de tawbadabu ticket Jotin Waikhong the PBU haidana Jotin Waikhong ida ngotang si laksari ba mi oi cha kaya si honorable chief minister na amadi party president na ticket se pi da batara badi Jotin gi damakta ngasi akoi thawai thagane Jotin gi damakta.
Manipur Electricity Employees Union will resort to hunger strike from tomorrow. Speaking to media at the union's office at Pauna Bazar, General Secretary Yumnam Rana Pratap says they are on protest since December 6, demanding regularization of work charge and muster roll employees of Manipur State Power Corporation Limited, MSPCL, and Manipur State Power Development Corporation Limited, who have worked for more than 30 years. He said the decision to launch hunger strike was taken after the government and authority concerned failed to meet their demand. Rana Pratap also appealed to the consumers to bear with them and staff of the corporations to extend cooperation to them.
Haying tang kunga humdoi poinugi kunmangani panba irai numisidagi akhoi amu khutang chara henba akhoi demand ji phangribo khutang chara helagani loina na Transcom Discom da thabak toriba karmachari khudimak thabak suba lephallaga akhoi gi prepaid counter so khoi thingjalani akhoi gi Manipur gi power consumer obiriba chilinaw singna maside da khoi good cooperation pibiu maramni masi akhoi gi phangmam thokpa chinmi amoy bagi right to khoi
Say Lishakin Wadan Labanina, Masideda, Powarki Consumer will putting Mansu Corporation BBO.
Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, KADA and Bishnupur District Police organized one-day social service camp at CI College, Bishnupur yesterday. KADA in a press release said they will organize such social service camps in Bishnupur District Police with Bishnupur District Police and also launch drive against drugs and alcohol in the district. Aam Aadmi Party Manipur has greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Christmas. In a press release, the party hoped that the economic blockade will end with the message of Christmas. Moirangthem Rajan is among the 24 writers selected for the Sahitya Academy Award 2016. He has been selected for his short story book, Cheptharaba Isingpun. Moirangthem Rajan of Kakching Mayai Lekai is the CEO of 8 Manipur Rifles. The award carries a copper plaque, a shawl and a cheque of 1 lakh rupees. It will be presented on February 22nd next year in New Delhi. Olympic bronze medalist MC Maricom and former Asian Games gold medalist Vikas Krishnan shone bright at the International Boxing Association's 70th anniversary gala in Switzerland, picking up different awards for their performances. While 5-time world champion and Olympic bronze medalist Maricom was presented the IBA Legends Award for her trailblazing boxing career, Vikas was handed the IBA Pro Boxing Best Boxer trophy. Maricom was picked for the honor of her decorated career, during which she won multiple Asian Championships gold medals besides the 5-time world titles. She was Christian Magnificent Mary by IBA after her 4th world title back in 2008 and was also one of the 8 brand ambassadors of the event this year. TH Birchandra Singh Football Academy Tobungkhok Makhalekai will organize non-residential grassroots under-13 and under-16 regular football coaching 2017 in the first week of January next year. In a press release, the General Secretary of the Academy has asked the intending players to contact the Academy for details. The finals of the AITA Super Series Tennis Tournament under-12 girls and under-12 boys and under-14 girls and under-14 boys will be held tomorrow. In under-12 and under-14 girls final, S. Khandewala will meet Mekhala Mana, Ved O'Brien will meet Anchit Gogoi in under-12 boys final, while Udit Gogoi will clash with Kritana Sharma in under-14 boys final. 46 boys and 35 girl players from Assam, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Gujarat, Tripura, New Delhi and host Manipur are competing in the tournament organized by Manipur Tennis Association under the aegis of All India Tennis Association. Sarchi Langtabal have entered the semi-finals of the first YWC Cricket Trophy. They defeated Medellin team Wankai by 20 runs at the quarter-final played this morning at Langtabal Public Ground. Sarchi Langtabal won the toss and elected to bat first. They made 74 runs all out in 14.1 overs. In reply, Medellin team Wankai scored 54 runs all out in 14.2 overs. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Rajnath Singh assures BJP Manipur delegation that centre will intervene to end the present impasse in Manipur. Chief Minister Okram Niboli Singh accuses the centre of not acting on time to resolve the present impasse in the state. CSOs form joint forum for peace to urge state government and centre to solve the UNC imbroglio. And people belonging to different communities take out peace march demanding an end to economic blockade and counter blockade.